How to turn on your security alerts on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on your security alerts on your Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on privacy. Now you have a security alert, click on it and you can turn on this option and show alert in the chat when a contact's key change. So this is it. You can choose if you want to turn off or on this option. And this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe and like.